Letter writing. Imagine that you are Pawan Pooja Orad, residing at 102 Prestige Chambers, Shivpuri Road, Solapur 420003. Attempt any one letter based on the given situation. Schools celebrate APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary as Reading Inspiration Day on 15th October. A 1. Formal letter. Write a letter to an educationist, Mr. Anil Tripathi from your city, inviting him to address the students on the above mentioned occasion, or a 2. Informal letter. Write a letter to your cousin, Neetude Neelish, making her him aware of the importance of reading. Solution informal. Letter 102, Prestige Chambers, Shivpuri Road, Solapur 420003. 10th October 2024. Dear Neetus, Neelish, I hope you're doing well. I'm writing to share something very interesting with you. Our school is celebrating Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary as Reading Inspiration Day on 15th October, and this made me think about the importance of reading. Reading is one of the best habits one can develop. It helps us gain knowledge, improves our vocabulary, and enhances our imagination. Books open the door to a world of wisdom and creativity. Even Dr. Kalam himself believed that reading was the key to success. It is not only useful for academics but also for personal growth. I encourage you to start reading regularly. You can begin with short stories, novels, or even newspapers. It will help you develop new ideas and keep you informed. I would love to know about the books you read, and we can even exchange recommendations. Take care and let me know your thoughts on this. Yours lovingly, Pawan Pooja Arade.